Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Tuesday, November 24th. We're going to take a look at one of the setups from the futures trading room earlier today, and that was a long, or two different long entries in crude oil based off of a breakout. So initially, first thing we did is we came in this morning, we looked at crude, and we said, all right, we still have the 42.76 resistance that we poked yesterday, and we poked the day before on Monday. And we had not broken through it yet. Now that being said, we had bullish momentum on our 120-minute chart, we had bullish momentum on our 60s, and we had bullish momentum on the 240-minute chart. So we were bullish, but it had to break the resistance. So then what you do is you drill down to your 500 tick for your entry in crude oil, and we had the break of 42.76 for the initial entry long. That worked out really well. A lot of people were able to get into that. It came all the way up. We formed a bearish divergence on the 500 tick right at the top, and everybody was exiting around 43.10. So not a bad trade. You had about $300 a contract worth of a move there. Then crude pulled back and went into consolidation. This is where the pivot trend indicator comes in handy, because it shows us, hey, look, there's a lower pivot high here within the context of the overall uptrend. So what we do is we draw a trend line going across those highs, and then on the break of that trend line is your re-entry. That entry would have been about 43.03, ended up rallying up, going all the way up to a high of 43.45 before pulling back down once again. So another $300 contract trade, or about 2.5 to 3 to 1 reward risk ratio, depending on how much risk you were taking on it. But all in all, not a bad day for trading crude oil. Two really good entry opportunities. Then ended up breaking through support over here and pulling back a little bit. But earlier in the morning, great setups, great follow through. A nice job for everybody in the trading room that took those trades. I know a lot of people were able to take advantage of them. So that's all I have for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And if you're not in the trading room, go ahead and get a trial. Just go to valuecharts.com/go. That's valuecharts.com/GO. You can get an entire month for $7. So that's it for today. And until next time, happy trading.